The new ProMist is great with the larger pad, and the fact that it flips over is great. For me, I can use one side wet and then flip it over and use the other side to kind of dry or in different spots. Makes it easier to use one tool to clean a larger area and do different things across the floor.
A lot of these spray mops, it's hard to take off the container, but here, it's the easeability just for the customer. You got to click it and you have it refilled.
You can use just plain water, you can use your own cleaning solution. There's no buildup, there's no residue, it's just the easiest, fastest. I love that thing. I really do, I love that thing. I use it daily.
When I saw what goes in, behind the scenes, if you open that up and you see all the parts and pieces, to make sure that every time you spray that it goes through like efficiently and evenly, yeah, it's really impressive.
That piece on the ProMist MAX, there is a rubber piece that's on the back of the handle, and that is specifically and thoughtfully placed on that product so that if they have to start and stop their cleaning job, they can actually put the mop up against the wall and it will stay standing upright. It will not fall over onto the floor. And most of the time people are not seeing that, or they don't understand what it's for until they're literally in the mopping experience and they set it up against the wall.
The design is great, and with each time we roll out a newer version of the ProMist, it gets better. So this generation is better than the last because we learn not only from our consumers, but from the things that we want the mop to do as well.
What would be success for us is that the consumer doesn't actually know all the details behind it, because it just works so easy. And our tagline is makes your life easier, so I think it's a lot easier when you don't even think about it. It's just like it's gonna work, you clean and you feel good about it.